All right. Welcome, everybody, to BiteTerms.
Yeah.
It's our very first episode.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Me too.
So, BiteTerms, what is it all about? Well, have you ever been just like talking to someone or reading something and you're like,
Yeah.
I don't actually know what that word means?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Or like, what's the difference between these two words that seem
Yeah.
really similar, right? So that's what this show is all about.
I love it.
We're going to be diving into all these little words that you hear all the time, but maybe don't fully understand, or maybe you think you understand them,
All right.
but there's actually more to the story.
Yeah, and it's going to be fun, right?
Exactly. We're going to keep it nice and quick so you don't have to sit there for an hour listening to us drone on and on.
Bite-sized, right?
Bite-sized, exactly. It's right there in the name.
Perfect.
BiteTerms. So if you're ready to learn some new words, impress your friends, just sound really smart,
That's right.
then stick around and hit that subscribe button because we've got a whole lot of wordy goodness coming your way. I can't wait.
Me too.